Hello everybody. I'm going to try something new today. I'm building a knife for a fella, and he's going to have purple heart handle scales on it. And I told him that I would try to build him a matching ferro rod to go with it. This is the ferro rod. It's a Nathan's, and so what I did was I ordered these blocks of purple heart, and so I'm gonna try to turn it. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I've got two of them, so I've got two chances at this. So we'll just see how it goes. But those were the biggest little blocks I could find, without buying a big chunk of, expensive and all that. So we'll try that and see how it goes. Hang in there, everybody. Not quite round yet. Almost. So close. Okay, well, it's round now anyways. Okay. Now I wonder if it is too small now. Well, it's gonna be close. Gonna be close for sure. Okay, with this rod, I'm going to want about that much depth. Yeah, that would probably be enough. I want about that much depth, and I want the rod about 3 inches long. Or not the rod, the handle. So let's go right there with the handle. And we've got 5, so if we went 2.5, then I could make a what do you call it? A striker handle. So we'll call that the middle right there. I don't know if it'll be big enough or not. Maybe, I don't know. Shit. It ain't like I know what I'm doing or nothing. So, let's see. I'm going to kind of put a couple little designs and stuff in here. I don't want to get up here where the rod's going to be because it's awful thin. It's going to be awful thin there. Yeah, I guess I probably shouldn't have cut that all the way in too. And I probably should have sanded it before I cut it in too. Oh well. Okay, here's a pretty critical part. If I can get this hole drilled in it and not bust it, we'll be doing good. Let's see, can y'all see that? Nope, got my arm right in the way, don't I? Let's see. We can do it from the left side here. Drill bit cutting it all. I think that drill bit was burning it. I don't think it was even cutting it. Okay, my part slid down. I believe I burnt the whole thing, but yeah, right there's how I should have done it. Okay. Of course, you can see I still got some sanding to do, and I got to glue it in there. Oh crap, I got to drill a hole for a lanyard. Well, let's drill a lanyard hole. I'm going to throw that bit there away. Piece of junk. Well, went in the hole on this side or on this line and come out on that line, so it's got to be pretty straight. So there it is. I'm gonna take and sand on it some and then put some polish on it, some kind of finish. Okay, now we need to make a little scraper. Okay, I couldn't find the green saw blade I was looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and use this red one. What you have to do is drill a series of holes to where that you have a slot. I don't know if y'all can even see that little drill bit. Okay, I'm sure that I can tap that on down in there, but we'll just put a little epoxy in that, tap it down in there, and then just like this other one here, I'll have to do a little bit of sanding and put a finish on it, and then they'll be ready to go. I know we just had the knife giveaway. Congratulations to those winners. Oh God. Oh God, dude, Lord, ooh, ugly. I'm gonna finish these up. I'm on time. But we just had the knife giveaway. You know, I got some cool stuff coming up. I built me a coal forge today, if you can believe it, a coal forge. So but I didn't have no coal for it, so I have to get some of that. We'll see how that works out. I've got this draw knife here. You can see it's bent. The handles are bent on it. It's rusty as it can be, and this was my grandfather's, and I'm gonna do a restoration on it. We're gonna straighten it, sharpen it, polish it, make some new handles with it with the lathe here. So I got a lot of neat stuff coming up. Neat, I think. So just hang in, everybody. I sure appreciate everybody watching. It makes my day, people, to inspire people. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you later.